Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox 360, safety first. Once done, flip the console so the bottom faces up. You need access to the front seam. Insert a thin, flat tool at the front center seam and pry gently, working one side a little at a time. Make sure to feel for the plastic clips releasing. If you meet firm resistance, stop and shift position. This prevents broken tabs and makes the next steps predictable and safe for internal parts. Once the front starts to lift, continue to the midsection by working from front to back. You should press each clip inward with your thumb as you lift the faceplate. This lets the tabs clear without twisting the shell. Keep steady and alternate sides to balance the pressure. Uneven force bends plastic. Make sure not to lever against vents or the drive bay rim because those areas are thin and crack easily. When mid-clips release, the faceplate will hinge free towards the rear. To finish, lift the rear clips upward and slide the faceplate off toward you. Some models have a small hidden screw near the drive bay. Confirm and remove if present. Once removed, inspect every tab and clip for cracks. Replace damaged tabs or use small pieces of tape as a temporary fix because broken tabs cause misalignment. If the cover still sticks, reseat any released clips with a plastic spudger and retry. And remember, avoid metal tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.